We first called Guardian when we had continuous gutter leaks that we'd been ignoring for years. The representative Tanner came out and took pictures, analyzed the situation, shared with us solutions that we didn't realize that besides the gutter problem that we had a roof that was aging. He showed us the whole solution, how to put it together. Friendly people. The yard was cleaner, I think, probably than it was when they arrived. And then most recently, after we'd had this surge of Arctic weather, I called Tanner again because in the corner of the garage, adjacent to the venting under the eaves for the attic, some pipes had frozen, and I noted that part of the Guardian name was included insulation. So he came out and analyzed it, gave us a quote, told us exactly what they could do to completely insulate our garage, and as I couldn't be happier. Great company to work with. I'd certainly recommend Guardian. In fact, I have two people saying that it's a pleasure to work with Guardian Roofing.